Microsoft Access 2010 Designing Database Tables. The most important part of creating a database is planning. This can be difficult when you are first learning to use Microsoft Access. Here are some questions that may help. Input. What data do I already have for the database? All data that the database consists of would be stored in the table. Any data needed will have to be entered after the table has been created. Output. What information do I want to get out of the database? Remember, the purpose of a database is to extract certain information to answer specific questions. You can do that by creating queries. So you need to make sure that you have the questions and ensure that there are criteria that you need to set on the query to display only the necessary information. Reports would display either what is in the table or the questions that have been answered in the query. Process. What do I need to get there? If not all data has been gathered yet, a form could be used to enter, edit, and correct data that is already in the table. Sometimes it helps to plan the final reports that you want from your database to see if you already have a method of collecting all the data that you want to display. Things to keep in mind when creating a table is the primary key. Remember, a primary key is a unique field and no duplicate data can be entered in the primary key field. All field names should be descriptive. If the field names are not descriptive, it could cause problems in the end when you would want to extract data. Correct data types assist the user to ensure that the data entered is correct. So ensure that the data types that you choose are correct. Remember, the most important part of creating a database is planning.